got the pipe nipples have arrived, so there's no excuse now to not get on with these new tanks. I need to take these main vents off here, and I'm going to take these to an engineering company to bend the new pieces, the new pipe, to the correct shape, because these I can't bend it to that shape. So in a minute I'm going to take those off. So it's actually not that much. There's these 3 little bends which I need making out of the 3/4 inch tube. So I'm going to take that to the local company. They've got a die that is 3/4 inch and a different bending machine. So I'll just get them to do it. I don't like paying other people to do stuff, but unfortunately I can't bend this in this case, not without spending a lot of money on some different equipment. So they'll get that done for me.